Picture this. It's 9 a.m. You have a coffee, a to-do list, and a sudden burst of motivation. You sit down at your desk, ready to absolutely crush your work and change your life. But then, you see it. A tiny speck of dust on your keyboard. Crucial, essential, you must clean it immediately. And while you're at it, you should probably reorganize your entire bookshelf by color. Cut to 3 hours later, the bookshelf is a mess, you're watching the documentary on the history of spoons, and you have done exactly 0 minutes of actual work. Why do we do this? Why does your brain choose to watch cat videos instead of building the future you actually want? Are you broken? Are you just lazy? Good news, you aren't lazy. You're just operating on outdated software. Meet the inner caveman living inside your skull. Your inner caveman has one goal: survival. To him, work uses up precious energy he might need later to run away from a saber-toothed tiger. The problem is, answering emails doesn't require survival energy, but the caveman doesn't know that. He sees a difficult spreadsheet and screams, "Danger, pain, abort mission." So, he steers you towards the dopamine buffet. Social media, snacks, video games, these are safe. These give instant rewards. It's not a discipline problem, it's a biological hijacking. So how do we trick the caveman? How do we get the work done without fighting a war against our own biology? We have to lower the threat level. Strategy number 1, the 5-minute lie. The caveman is scared of a 3-hour project. That looks like a mountain. But 5 minutes? 5 minutes is a molehill. Tell yourself, I will just open the document and write for 5 minutes. Then I can stop. You are negotiating a peace treaty with your brain. Here is the magic trick. Once you start, the pain of the task vanishes. The caveman realizes there is no tiger. You usually keep going for an hour, but you have to start small to start at all. Strategy number 2, hide the candy. If your phone is on your desk, you will look at it. It's inevitable. Put it in another room. Make the distraction hard to reach. We call this friction. You want to increase friction for bad habits and decrease it for good ones. Make laziness inconvenient. Stop beating yourself up for being human. You aren't broken. You just have a scared caveman in your head who wants to keep you safe. Treat him like a toddler. Guide him gently. Start with 5 minutes, hide the distractions, and watch how fast you turn from a procrastinator into a machine. If you found this relatable, hit subscribe. I'm here to help you navigate the noise. Now go do your 5 minutes.